chainsaw when you guys pranked me on Halloween with the ketchup and shit.
Okay.
I want to get Dad back.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the same thing you guys did.
Okay.
Right? You just have to film it.
All right.
Make good footage. Okay?
Yeah, original idea, I know. Where's your mask?
I don't have one.
Ketchup.
What the fuck, dude? I didn't even say go.
Oh shit.
Do it. I didn't know the blades were still on. I was trying to get you back for the prank. I didn't know they were on.
Because of the violence in video games, isn't it? Cause you to do stuff like this.
Violence in video games? Yeah. That's what you think of when I do
Most people don't do this stuff.
You did it to me. I was just trying to get you back.
And your video.
Where are you going? Dad? Jeffrey, don't touch that! That's the Xbox One, Dad! Dad, don't touch that shit! Dad, what the fuck are you, what the fuck are you, Dad, what the fuck are you doing? Dad,
It's Xbox.
You're not touching this! You're not, get away, put it back! What are you gonna say, son? You're not touching this! You're not, get away, put it back! What are you gonna chainsaw me? What are you, Dad!
Can you cut through a plastic thing? Can you cut through a plastic thing?
It's not even something! There's plastic everywhere! Get the fuck out of here! You think that's funny? You think that's funny? I don't know. Out of here! You think that's funny? You think that's funny? I don't know. He's sawing it up. What the fuck's he doing? Dad!
You know the way.
Dad!
Oh, shit.
Dad!
Holy shit!
God! Why? Fuck!
That's
Holy
violence
shit.
in video games.
Holy shit!
Master Chief Collection! It's the only way I'm gonna learn!
You can't teach non-violence with violence!
That's because I have to because you buy it behind my back.
You taught him how to play video games!
Oh, where'd he go? What the hell? A little Swiss Family Jesse over here. Hey, buddy.
Get the fuck out of here! Get that light out of my face!
Hey, it's okay.
No. Halo Master Chief Collection comes out in 1 hour, and I'm not gonna be able to play! It's not funny. Please,
It's just a game.
please!
Alright, it's off, it's off.
Turn it off, please. Turn it off.
It's off, man. It's okay.
Turn